Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your reviews in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app. It opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we just go into the account menu, and under overview we find my reviews. And here we can add reviews, and also we can see the history, which means that we can see the reviews that we have given to certain items, and then maybe change them or delete them if we made up our mind, or reconsider them, or whatever. Basically, this is where you can see the reviews that you have written in the app, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one.